Good morning! Good morning, friends! Tuesday! Happy Tuesday, everyone! May buta ka na to tanan. Waking up a day with fresh and full of hope and inspiration. So today it's Tuesday, guys, and God is giving us new day to live and to experience the fullness of life. So, kung may ba the fullness of life, most of us would really want to have a decent and a beautiful life. Karabang kinabuhi nga gingon nila nga daghan, no? Daghan kayo, like daghang food, daghang money, daghan po mga experiences, daghang mga outing. So, maugid din siya nga ato ang gusto sa ato kinabuhi. But eventually, ang matagusa ka nato, lain-lain ta mga income, so dili na to maabot, no? Usahay tungod sa ato mga damgo, tungod sa ato mga wants sa ato kinabuhi, dili nato mabalance ang ato economic life kay manubra man ang atong gasto. Even I myself, no, is also a victim of it nga nang pangunahon na nato nga gusto nato nga naata. It's a matter of counting first our resources, kung kaya ba siya gastuon. When we go beyond the limits of our resources or ato ba siya i-exhaust the resources, the thing is, kita raga po yung maglisod. So for today, it's all about economic security and financial security. And financial security, guys, would just be done through understanding your economic, the state of your life, the finances. So gina na ito buhaton lang, we need to be contented of what we have. And advice lang ni nato, even I sort of reminded myself na we should not spend beyond our limits, like beyond our income. Kaya diha dapita maglisod kita sa ato ang kinabuhi. So that's only my sharing for this morning. And to all of us, have a great day and good morning, everyone.